DealDrive is an AI-powered CRM that says it helps sales teams close deals faster, scoring leads, drafting follow-ups, and flagging deals before they go cold. I read the actual product pages, checked the pricing, the company behind it, and the one review that exists, so you know what you'd be buying. Here's why this might matter to you. If you're an affiliate or info product marketer running JV partnerships, coaching calls, or a growing team selling a course or service, you're probably tracking leads in a spreadsheet or your inbox, and deals are quietly going cold because nobody followed up. DealDrive's pitch: an agentic CRM that combines automation, predictive analytics, and what it calls a sales assistant that never sleeps. On its own homepage, it claims 40% faster deal closure, 3 times the pipeline visibility, and 60% less manual work. Its own stats, not independently audited. The AI layer is the real pitch: lead scoring, a sales assistant that drafts emails and coaching, a forecast analyst you can ask questions in plain English, and a deal closure engine that flags stalled deals and automatically sends follow-ups by email, text, or WhatsApp before you even notice a deal went quiet. Setup is designed to be fast. Describe your business in plain English, and its AI configurator builds your pipelines, fields, teams, and sample data automatically, ready to sell in under an hour, they say. The single number they lean on hardest: over $20 million in deals closed through the platform. Worth treating as their own reported figure, since there's no independent audit behind it. Pricing has 2 paths: direct from DealDrive, $5.99 a month for starter, or $8.99 a month for pro, both with a 14-day trial and no credit card. But the deal actually being reviewed here is on AppSumo, a one-time lifetime license from $69 up to $249, backed by AppSumo's 60-day refund guarantee. What's genuinely good here: the company isn't brand new. It's been around since 2021 with a real team behind it. The lifetime AppSumo tiers scale from 3 seats to 15 seats, so it's not a one-person only deal. And the follow-up automation is a real, concrete feature, not just a dashboard. What gives me pause: its own prospecting feature, the one that finds new leads based on your past deals, is still tagged beta. The feature list is dense enough that even a paid reviewer said it takes a checklist to get through onboarding. And there's exactly one public review to judge any of this by. That one review comes with an upfront disclosure. The reviewer says he's a paid AppSumo product tester who got the tool for free and states his compensation isn't tied to the score. With that in mind, he rated it 4 out of 5 tacos and said it's built on more ambitious ideas than most tools at this price point. The founder, Himanshu Singh, responded personally and by name, thanking the reviewer for understanding what he called the philosophy behind the product, not just the feature list. Where that leaves the score? 4 out of 5 tacos, AppSumo's rating unit, but from exactly one review, and that reviewer was compensated to write it. Treat it as a data point, not a verdict. My verdict: DealDrive is a real, reasonably mature CRM with a genuinely useful automated follow-up engine, priced fairly as a lifetime deal. But its standout prospecting feature is still in beta, and there isn't yet an independent, unpaid review to confirm the bigger claims. Worth trying the free trial before you commit to a lifetime tier. If you're managing affiliate partnerships, JV deals, or a growing roster of coaching or consulting clients, this is aimed at exactly that kind of pipeline, not enterprise sales floors. Just start on the free trial and see if the automation actually saves you the follow-ups you'd otherwise forget. If you're interested in making money online with AI, make sure that you check out the link in my description